Ra ya kabil jong kawai ke election haluk sabha dawa ki seng kaliang persya ban pha ya ki bil sya ka joint parliamentary committee na ka benta ban bishar benya Play Menteri Rangba ya ka Anti-narcotics task force police station Hashilong Kajilla bat ka sarkar pedeng ki atrelang banyada na kumkini ki jingja bat ban pentikna ya kabit kabiang jong ki pajba ong usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong. Kajing penbet ya ki jing syakri jong baro kinong hikai kanlong kajingkit kabakia hakaliang kapisa tingka ong Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih urakam sangma. Bat dan kam ya ki an ki bating mante lakam ya ki kam runar ki belanang kiu ki jing sha thambor ya ki kintai kena ong ka kong Santa Maria Shilla ki kubor ki babnya ya ki bil ki bayadai bat ka one nation one election lawan ra halok sabha menta kesngi kaliang persya kalapan ya ka jing pia vote namar ba Menteri Ketenat an jong ka sarkar pedeng u Arjun Ram Meghalaya ulawan ra ya ka jingterwa banwan ra ya ka an riti senshar kari 120 amendment bill arja apusau bat ka Union Territories Law Amendment Bill arja apusau hapo ka yeng dorbar hadu arspa anrup kandai ngut ki dukot kila kershan banwan ra ya ka ni ka bill bat shispa kandai puprangut kila persya kiseng persya bat kiwe kila persya ya ka jing penrung ya ki bill da ka bakot ya ka kum ka jing sha thombor ya ka jinglong tenrai jong ka riti senshar kila dawa ban pha yaki bill shaka joint parliamentary committee ban bishar benya shu yaki Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad Sangma hanya kesngi ulaple ya ka Anti-narcotics task force police station hakani kanong ba hakani kesngi la don lang usembut Menteri Rangba ke jela badai kmi ya ki kampo yeng uba Preston Tensong kumju Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba Paul Lingdo ka Menteri Ketenat ka Koi Kakya Dr. Amprin Lingdo lembat ka DGP ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang haba ai jingkren hakani kesngi Menteri Rangba ula banjur ya ki jingdon kam jong kani ki jingtmu da ka ba ong bawat la Tanat pulit kala ban pau bakalong ka berit Henry ka kam jong ka kala long ban yakun persya ya ka jingma jong udrok usang ma ula pensyai shu baka Anti-narcotics task force police station kan long kum ka jaka pedeng ban bot din bat wan ra ya ka jing trelang
kind of impact in society, especially the youth of our state, is having because of drugs and the usage of drugs is something that is very, very damaging for the society and especially the youth. And therefore, in the last many years, government of Meghalaya at different levels through different departments has taken a number of steps to ensure that we are able to look at all aspects from the supply to the distribution, to the health concerns, to the social aspect, to rehabilitation, and overall counseling for drug addicts also.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke jela uba Preston Tensong habakren shikilat pathai kubor hakabaya day bat kawai ke drone ke balarung sya Meghalaya na Bangladesh ula pentikna baka sarkar jela kaya trelang bat kibor pahara kaput jong ka border security force bat ka sarkar pedeng ban weng ya kani ka jing katai ke drone ka bala lap hakitan sora kalawan ra ya ka jing sokia ya ka jing pahara kaput jong ka jela Henry ula banjur baka sarkar jela baka sarkar pedeng kia trelang banyada na kum kini ki jingja bat man pentikna ya kabit kabiang jong ki pajba bat ula kerpat iki pajba bakim dei ban kuslai
from the state government as far as the border issue is concerned, it is being looked after by the BSF, by the government of India. However, state government and the central government, we are closely working together. Be it those people trying to infiltrate or to come into Meghalaya, to India, or even the drone that recently has been detected that from Bangladesh, drones has even reached up to Shirapanji. So these issues are always being closely discussed between the state government and the central government. So I'm very sure we are in a position to make sure that things is under control and nothing to worry about. We appeal to all the Indian people not to worry about whatever, and we are there. We are committed to make sure that our country is intact and our country is totally safe.
Menteri Katanat Puli Putih ke Sorka Jela Urakam Sangma ula dumok ya ka VPP halor ka jingken tho ya ka concert jong Brian Adams kapala long dangshan hanong ba shilong usangma haba kan tho ya ka jing persha jong ka VPP ula ong baki program ki ba kum kine kilong ki ba he bha ha ka ba ki klor jong ka perthang ki jong ka perthai ki pen I ya ki saprwai ka ban ya rap ban kentiu ya ka nong ba shilong shaki kerdan ki ba shajrong kani ka jingkran jong usang ma kala wan hadin baka VPP kala ong ba kini ki concert kilong ki dawai penjam ya ka jingjenjar jong ki pai ba hajilla.
I don't know whether they like music or not, but I've seen they also used to sing a song, right? So that means if they form the government, if one day if they dreams from the government, they will not allow artists and any like Shillong Chamber not to perform in the state. We should allow. I don't think so. This is something which is, I think this that does not sound good for the young people of our state. So.
Menteri Katanat Puli Putih Urakam Sangma ula pentip baka State Education Committee kadang binia ya baro kiliang jong kinohikai pentup ya kinohikai SSA. Ula ong baka committee kadang lum ya kejing ai jingmut bat kijing menjur jongka. Kiban sa IT syaka sorka jela. Ula benrap baka jing penbait renti ya kijing syakri jong baro kinohikai kan long ka jingkit ka bakia hakaliang ka pisah tingka ya ka sorkar.
By the Ministry of Education, that is the guideline issued by the ministry, right? All the teachers teaching in the school should have a qualification. These are things, right? I mean, as a state is that of course we wish, but this is a Ministry of Education guidelines.
Hadin ka jingberngem da ka kenhun ka bana Assam ka Kutumba Suraksha Parishad lani ka KSP ban pentut ya ka let kawan hapadeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya lada amla ban wengno ya ka jingkhang ban le niam da ki riunget Hindu ha ka kram ka badon hamau senram hapo kishposngi Menteri Katanat Puli Putih Urakam Sangma ula ong baki briu ki dei ban mani hala ki jong ki yeng ki sam bat ban duai hamau senram kanumwan ra ya ka jingkela ula penrem jur ya ka jingberngem da ka kenhun ula ong baka kamlong kabadai ya ka kenhun niam bakin berngam namar baro kijat niam kidon na ka benta ka jingsuk bajing yateli.
Any religion is for the peace. We worship God for peace and harmony for the individual, for the family and for the community, right? So I think as a religious group treating like this does not sound good. That's not a good message, and they are not to be a real, a religious group to be friendly. So with this particular issue is concerned, so yes, there is a local issue. There may be a local sentiment. They should respect it. So worshipping doesn't mean only in Mosin Ram they will get blessing. No. We want to worship God. Worship at your home. Worship at your nearby. You have a great mandils in Assam, in your nearby home. So worshipping their God in Mosin Ram doesn't make you and him difference, right? God is omnipresent.
Ka-Office u Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy District ha ka jinga snok tilang bat ka District Employment Exchange Ribhoy District ka bahap hapo ka scheme jong ka Chief Minister's Youth Development kala penlong ya ka registration mela kam job fair na ka benta ki samla jong ka than Ribhoy District ya ka ni ka program la penlong hinde ka sngi ha District Library nongpo bat ya ka ni ka mela la pli perda da u Abilash Baranwal u bede u Deputy Commissioner jong ka Ribhoy District ha ringkat bat ikong GM nongkenri ibede I officer jongka District Employment Exchange haba ai jingkran ubaranwal ula kentu ya kisamla bakenlong ki bateri shitom khanang banyo ya ka jingjob bat bakin penjana ya ladi hakinukinu kikam ki bakitre.
See, the world is up for the take for those who work hard enough to grab it. So please take advantage. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing yourself up on this day. I hope that all of you return with jobs that you are looking for, that suit your skill set and that simultaneously matches your aspirations and will help you go further.
Ka Regional Institute of Advanced Studies lani ka RIAS ka badai ka Jakarwai la pli pajba hinegasngi hanong po da I Maria Hom Kharkrang I badai I Chief Spokesperson jongka seng BJP Meghalaya kani ka jaka ai jingi kai ka thumu ban ai ka jing shakri kum ka rinsan na ka binta ban kentiu ya ki saprwai jongki samla ka than da ka ba pinmi ya ki lat bathamai ha ka than ha kani ka jing ple perda lai shim binta ru da shipun ki he ki han ba kunthup ya u Vice President ka BJP u Kraubok Basayamot I u Managing Director jongka Rias u Skambor Langswet urang ba ashnong jongka nong po u Sylvester Mansong bat kiwe haba ai jingkran hakate ka program u Kharkrang uloong bakate ka jaka ai jing hikai kalong ban kentiu ya ki samla
pun samla nang bon karta khman jupi learn music. I'm telling you hoy kata ka puli ka dangli ka don kata pinap puli pinap ya chakman jup puli jupi nada pinang komnu ban bati ka por ka jongpi komnum don e kata bum don por bun sin ni ai down dan por hap le kan ti hap puli hap le ni tai rei da pi cut down ya ka por ni ko pi ba pi pulut ko mobile jo pi ben pe YouTube and pe ni kitai and spend some 1 hour 2 hours but let them practice music. I'm telling you the confidence level to pi can give.
Ka Committee on Empowerment of Women jongka yeng dorbar thau an ka jila kala kentu ban pen klan yaki an na ka benta ban penduna yaki kamsniu persha iki kenthai khna ha ka jila kani ka committee balayalam da ka shongknor ka kong Santa Maria Shilla ha ka sngi ningkong kala penlong ya ka jingyalang bat ka yeng dorbar thau an jongka Kerala habakran bat kilat pathai khubor hadien bala wai ka jingyalang ka kong Shilla kala ong badon kam yaki an ki bating e man te la kam yaki kamrunar ki belanang ki jingsha thombor ki kinthai khna ha kani ka jilla.
We are following up things. It's been on day by day through DC, SP, and they are cooperating very well. And updates we are getting, and there are so many cases that's pending. So we were requesting the judges to dispose of all the cases against women, especially. So things are just moving on. And we hopefully that our women will not face issues and problems in the future.
Hakaway na kijingja basngausi saungot kibriu kibana ka than jirang kila du no yala ka jong ka jingim ha ka ba kaway ka truck ka bakit ding kala hap kat ba kidang yai lenti na kaway ka surok ka balong lum hamenar jirang Riboy district kini ki saungot ki bala klat no ki dei na ka shnong jirang ba ya iwei pat i bala mensau ha ka te ka jingja la penkit no ya i sha ka jaka sumar hashilong katkum ka jingtip ka te ka jingja kala jahinin kamiet ha ka ba ka te ka truck ka bala hap shapo kaway ka ka bajngai kumba alspa mitar na kasurok ya ka met jeng kitay ki bala khlat no la penkit no sha nongpo civil hospital na ka benta ki jingdon kam I MLA jong ka jirang I sostene sotun ila le jingo ya ki bahing bahasem jong kitay ki lanon bat sngolam bat man airu ka jingerap na ka benta jongki ka KHADC hinegasngi kala pelaj pajba ya ki kot baper ki bala pensyong nongrim haki kot wat benya ha ka baya dei bat ka kolshor bat ka khana jong kari khasi kini ki kot kini rap banwan penwandur ya ki an baper ki bala wan ra shakman da ka district council ya ka pisa ka basan pholak tingka la menjur da ka sarkar jilla habakren ha kani ka sngi kum ukong san u menteri rangba ka jilla u konrad ke sangma ula ong bakani ka dei ka program wat benya ka babyang ba ka bala le da u CM ka KHADC ka badang ka banlong kum ka jingkentiu ya ka jingmut bat ka jingwat benya ya ka jingtip ya ka kolshor hapo ka imlang sa lang jengi bat ula benrap shu bakum kani ka jingwat benya dei ban le ru da ka GHADC bat GHADC.
And I want to put on record the leadership, the vision that the Honorable CEM has brought not just to this program and to the research area, but to the KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council as a whole.
Mentang ini pe ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hatura ka jing kriat kalong khatwei degree Celsius but ka jing shit kalong R4R degree Celsius ka jing siam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong hnyo pupra na ka shispa ka sun beneng kan rang haki babun ki jaka menta pat nginya pai sha ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hashilong ka jing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius but ka jing shit kalong R4R degree Celsius ka jing siam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong 100 kandai na ka shispa ka sun beneng kan rang haki babun ki jaka Bat hajowai kajing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 100 degree Celsius kajing siam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong 100 pupra na ka shispa kasun beneng kan rang haki babun ki jaka Jawaban poi syaka bakut jangka tup kubor ngini pit biang sesien yakimat pekongsan Lawan ra ya kabil jong kawai keri kawai ke election haluk sabha dawa kiseng kaliang persya ban pa ya kibil syaka joint parliamentary committee na kabetaban bisyar benya. Beli Menteri Rangba ya ka Anti-narcotics task force police station Hashilong. Kajilla bat ka sarkar pedeng ki trelang banyada na kum kini ki jingja bat man pentikna ya kabit kabiang jong ki pajba ong usembut Menteri Rangba upa Preston Tensong. Kajing penbet ya ki jing syakri jong baro kino hikai kan long kajing kit ka bakya hakaliang ka pisah tingka ong Menteri Katanat Pulih Putih urakam esang ma. Bat don kam ya ka an ka bating bantek la kam ya ki kam runar ki balanang kiu ki jing sha thombor ki kintai khna ong ka kong Santa Maria Shilla Ti parlo ka tung la poi shak bakut jong ka thup ko jingi meta ka jan met hadu mine syam yang wat pila sha kisni khublei pi paro
पुरस्कार